Hello, friends. This is a simple story. It is about my family. My name is Tommy. I live in a small house. Today is Sunday. The sun is bright. I wake up early. My mom is in the kitchen. She cooks pancakes and eggs. The pancakes are fluffy. They smell good. Dad drinks coffee. My little sister Jenny runs to me. She says, "Brother, play with me." I smile and say, "Yes." After breakfast, we sit at the table. Mom gives syrup. It is sticky and sweet. Dad eats 2 pancakes. Jenny eats scrambled eggs. I eat 3 pancakes. We talk and laugh. Mom says, "Eat slowly. Drink milk, too. Milk makes us strong." Breakfast is done. The plates are clean. Now we go outside. Our house has a big yard. There are flowers, red roses and yellow daisies. Jenny waters the plants. I help her. Dad cuts the grass. The mower is loud. Mom sweeps the path. We all work together. The yard looks nice. Jenny finds a ball. It is red and round. "Let's play," she says. I kick the ball. She runs after it. Dad joins us. We play soccer. I score a goal. Jenny claps. "Good job, brother." The sun is hot now. We drink water. Mom brings lemonade. It is cold and tasty. Time for lunch. Mom cooks burgers and fries. There are French fries and salad. Dad makes coleslaw. It is cool. We eat on the patio. No TV today. We talk about school. I say, "Teacher taught numbers. 1, 2, 3. Jenny says, "I draw a house." Dad says, "Good students learn fast." After lunch, we rest. Jenny sleeps on Mom's lap. Dad reads a newspaper. I draw pictures, a big tree and a lake. Mom tells a story. Once there was a boy. He helped his friends. He was happy always. I like the story. Afternoon comes. Friends come to play. My friend Mike has a kite. It is blue. We fly it high. The wind is strong. The kite dances in the sky. Jenny watches. She jumps and laughs. Dad fixes my bicycle. The wheels shine. Evening time. Mom makes hot chocolate. We sit outside. Birds sing songs. The sky turns orange. Dad says, "Family time is best." Jenny hugs Mom. I hug Dad. We are happy. Dinner is ready. Macaroni and cheese. Hot and cheesy. We eat together. Jenny yawns. She is sleepy. After dinner, we brush teeth. Mom checks homework. Dad says prayers. Thank you, God, for this day. Now bedtime. Jenny sleeps first. Her teddy bear is near. I lie down. Mom kisses my head. Dad turns off the light. The fan is cool. I think of tomorrow. School and friends. What a happy day. The end. Practice this story. Listen again. Speak loud. You'll learn English fast.